Back home, the National Solid Waste Management Authority has implemented a slew of measures to prevent a major fire at the retirement disposal site in St. James. Executive Director of the agency, Audley Gordon, says 70 vent pipes have been installed.
On a landfill, there's over 200 gases that wrestle underneath the surface of where we are standing. When they can't find any way to get out, they produce what is called combustion, and spontaneously you will see fires. When the landfill is able to breathe, there's less likelihood of those fires occurring. So we have installed these vent pipes strategically across the areas of the landfill which is most susceptible to fires.
Fire wardens armed with dirt bikes and knapsacks have also been trained to detect and extinguish minor fires. And if needed, professional firefighters will have access to a 24,000-gallon water tank with appropriate fittings.
We also have over 200 loads of topsoil on site. We are putting ourselves in a proactive mode, and we will remain in that proactive mode as long as we have jurisdiction over this disposal facility. We will not allow any fires to get away from us again if they do occur. And you see the brand new tipper truck that was unveiled just now, and that will be stationed here to facilitate daily covering of the disposal facility. So gone are the days when we have acres and acres of exposed garbage. We have taken some significant steps in the right direction.